Alright guys, I'm going to show you the daily cipher must go for today. So you when you want to decrypt the code, you need two things. First, you switch to the daily cipher mode by clicking on the top button at the middle. So another step you need to decrypt the code for today is the international Morse code. You can download it from Chrome, but mine just screenshot my own. Okay, as you can see, it's in the dot and dash. Okay, let's go. So for beginners here, for a dot is tap, for a dash is hold. Okay, so let's go. The international Morse code for today is stake, STAKE. So go and look for S, which is dot. I've gotten S. So look for T dash dash. Now A dot and a dash dot and a dash. So K dash dot dash. Not oh, if you make any mistake, everything will clear. So let's start over again. For S is dot. For T is hold, that's a dash. For A is dot and a dash. For K is dash dot dash. For E, which is the last one, which is a dot. A dot. As you can see, I've gotten the daily cipher Morse code for today. So you will do it. You will have decrypted the code for you. So if you like what I'm doing, so subscribe to my video, subscribe to my channel, and like my video, because every day I release a video on Hampster Kombat daily combo card and sci-fi. So thanks for watching.